Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new, thank you for stopping in. And for all my returning subscribers, it is so good to see you all again. And I would like to welcome all our new family members that have joined the Felicia by the Seasons family in the last couple of months. Welcome, 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 and I'm so delighted to have you here. Also, I am thinking about going live on my channel, and that's where you can stream in and that we can talk back and forth. Now, if that sounds like something that you would like to be a part of, since I love flowers so much, just leave a flower emoji in the comment section. And if I can get at least 50 flowers back, I will go ahead and set up a live and I will send you a notification. I will leave it in my community tab and I will let you know when I'm going to go live so you can participate. Most likely it is going to be on a Saturday. So I would love to, so we can talk and you can ask me any questions about the channel. How did it get started? Where did I come up with my ideas, or just share some of your ideas? And I think we will have a great time. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. So in today's video, we are going to be concluding my summer decorating series, and this will be part 7. And in this video, we're going to be refreshing our guest bedroom for the summer season. This is the duvet set that I purchased from JCPenney's that I'm going to be using. It is a gray ticking stripe. And so I'm going to use this instead of putting an entire new comforter up here because I'm trying to conserve space. So I think a duvet cover is a great way to conserve storage space, especially when you're not using your comforter and you're switching them out. Okay, so this is the comforter right here that I'm putting in the inside of this duvet cover, and I'm trying to just figure out the best way to get this comforter in here. So as you can see, I have added the duvet cover onto my bed. And I'm just going to take you in for a little closer look so you can see those light gray ticking stripes that are there. And I also went ahead and added in 2 sets of my pillows, which includes my white Euroshams that you see in the front. And I have some pillows that you actually sleep on in the back. Up next, I'm going to be adding lots of pillows to create visual interest.
I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Okay, you guys, now this is what it looks like so far. And I have added in some more pillows. And as you can see, I added in these white textured pillows. And then I added in these dust ruffles pillow shams here with the vibrant floral print. And then I just added in this little whimsical rectangle shaped pillow here for the whimsiness of it and just for sheer fun. So let me know what you think. But we're going to continue to layer this bed. So next I am going to be adding a comforter across the footboard of this bed and to give it more of a luxurious feel. So now I have added the comforter to the foot of this bed. I just took a comforter from another bed set. I folded it into eighths. So I folded in half and then I folded over again. And as you can see, it makes my bed rise and gives it a more luxurious feel. So now we're going to go ahead and start working on some accessories. So let's get started. So now we're going to work on both of the nightstands. We have this one on this side and this one over here on that side where you probably can't see. And I'm just going to start adding in some accessory pieces. So these are some of the items that I'm going to be using to decorate both of my nightstands here. And as you can see, this rattan piece here is a charger. And I'm going to use it to ground my decor items on each nightstand. And plus, I have some very simple greenery. And this is a new purchase. I bought it on clearance from, where did I get this from? Marshall's. It was on clearance for $8. And I'm just going to use these and put those on there. And so like I said, I'm doing a summer refresh to the bedroom. So I don't have to go out and buy everything brand new. A lot of the items that I'm using are old items. And I just added in a few new ones. Okay, so this is how nightstand number 1 looks. And I've added my little greenery here. I also added in my owl lantern. And I added in some of these coasters here. Because, you know, if you bring a drink up here or some coffee, you need to have something for your guests to put those things on. And then I just added this simple white bird on top to give it some visual interest. So that is nightstand number 1. So this is nightstand number 2, and I've mimicked the same greenery as I had on nightstand number 1. I added a white lantern and a little white bird, and I put everything on this charger here. So that's nightstand number 2. Mixing new item with old items. So now we're going to move up and I'm going to address the wall. Okay. I'm going to add a wreath on each side of the bed to flank the bed. And I'm going to add a sign in the center. So now I'm just adding my wreaths to each side. And this, once again, is an old item that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And I think they still sell them on a regular basis. So now that my wreaths are hung, I'm going to go ahead and add in my sun in the center. So now I am going to address my curtains here, and I'm just going to remove the outside curtains. The ones with the little snowballs on them, I'm going to leave them as is, but I'm going to remove the heavier white winter-like ones and replace them with some more summer-like curtains. These are the panels that I'm going to be using to replace the white ones. These are called sheer fan tab panels. I purchased them from Home Goods, and these were $29.99, and they're by DKNY, and I just love this fan-like panel. I've always wanted some of these, so I'm going to go ahead and add these in now. Okay, you guys, I have hung the new panels up and I love them. They are a oatmeal color. The texture is of a fine linen, and I like them because they play well with my pillow right here. These right here, you see how these play well together? And so now I'm just going to give you a final look. You will have to come back for the summer home tour to see the entire bedroom, hopefully. And so let's take a closer look. And before we go, I added a tray to the bed for my guests. And I have these washcloth here, two here. I have a coffee mug and saucer. And I added in some Kleenex. And since we are doing nautical decor in the rest of the house, I just added a little nautical decor by adding some sand dollars and shell. And of course, I love the little friendly dog. Just another little whimsical piece saying welcome to my guests. This concludes my video for today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family, just go ahead and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. And if you don't want to miss a single episode of my channel, just click that red bell, select all, and you won't miss a single episode. And it's absolutely free to you to click both buttons. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.